Everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to make about the cost of what it actually takes to start a YouTube automation channel. And I'll actually break down the cost step by step so you can see if this business model is actually right for you or not. Right, so make sure you stay all the way till the end, because at the end I'll also be telling you a alternative if you are out there who actually doesn't have that much funds to start the business, YouTube automation business, and what are the things that you need to do to actually start getting success online, right? So the very first thing that normally what people do is they go and invest in a program, right? So that's a biggest cost that a person can have. So this can be a course, program cost, or it can be also like a one-on-one mentoring. Okay, so whichever option person goes with, is this is how they actually get started with their business model, right? So the cost is you can actually get a lower cost course for about $250, but in saying that you're not gonna get much help and support with that, and the course will not be actually um, so pretty much, even though you might get a course, but still you going to be going to YouTube, searching for answers and stuff like that, right? So the lowest cost which I actually bought was like a while back, and that was like the first course I invested in. There was like a $250 course, so probably that cost has gone up to $350. I have no idea. But also you can get courses on Udemy and all these platforms where they're just selling you this course, and pretty much you're going to get no support, no help, and it's just going to be like a step-by-step guide of how you can actually get started with YouTube automation. It works some of for some people, but for some people you actually need to get a one-on-one mentoring coaching, so that way you can have all your questions and answered questions always answered, rather than you just figuring things out on your own, right? So uh, the program cost wise, you're looking at between three $250 all the way up to, you're looking at paying about six 7,500 $8,000. Okay, so that's going to be like the most expensive course, but together with this you're going to get like the one-on-one coaching support as well, right? So that's what where I actually know want to actually start, that people if I want to do any business model, I want to actually learn from people who actually achieved what I want to achieve. I can, and I'll rather learn from those people rather than just figuring things out on my own. Okay, so the cost wise, you're looking at between $250 per program, but if you want to get a one-on-one support, that's like a bit costly, but that's going to be the best way to move forward. So I say here between $250, looking at all the way to $8,000 for just to get the program and course. Okay, then after that, another cost will be for you will be to hire the team. So it depends whichever niche you want to go and get started with. But I'll tell you the niches that you actually need the whole team. For example, channel example like celebrity channels, top 5, top 10, car channels, right? And you need quality video editors and all those talents. Okay, so that way you can actually go get and get those people hired. So you're looking at about, for video editor, looking about maybe $45-50. Okay, voiceover, you need people who actually so voiceover, you need person, you're looking at about $15 to $20 again. Okay, so we'll just put $20. Thumbnail, you need can get it for $5-10. Okay, so that's not that expensive. Thumbnail is pretty cheap. And you need the scriptwriter. Most of the time people, they don't get scriptwriter, they use chatbot, chat GPT. But if you want to know which software I use, I'll put in the link. It's AI software and actually writes content, which is like really awesome, so you can actually get those ones. But if you want to use just chat gpt, that's free to use. But there's also a paid version that you need to upgrade. There's upgrades in chat gpt, but I actually don't use chat gpt because it's not designed to write content. I The one I actually use is actually working really really well, and that way I can have my unique script written with the help of AI. Okay, so but if you do go out there and hire a script writer, they cost about um, between $15 all the way up to 45 $50. Okay, so you're gonna put $50. Um, that's per script, by the way, and then after that, most of the time, people actually get a channel manager. Okay, so once your channel starts to earn income, then you want to go ahead and you want to hire a channel manager, because if you don't have a channel manager, you're going to be pretty much doing your research by yourself, and then you're going to be uploading on your channel and stuff like that. But with my channel, I actually have a channel manager, and pretty much she does everything for me, right? So for channel manager, you're looking at about I pay her like $200 a month, and pretty much she does everything. Okay, so she does the research, she does the title, thumbnail, tags, and basically she does like the whole thing. Okay, so but you can actually get them for a lot cheaper. You're looking about $150 to $200 per month. Okay, the ideator, so this is a person who actually comes up like which ideas will be best for the channel. Okay, so the ideator is basically you can pay them monthly, and these are the people who actually comes up with the right title, and which topics are really really awesome and like unique style of title and ideas, like similar to Mr. Beast. So people of that caliber, like you looking at about paying them $300 to $500, okay, a month, because these people are like really really creative, and they're coming up with like some awesome ideas for your channel. Okay, so I'd say $300 to $500 per month, that normally I know people actually pay. But it's really up to you if you want to have this person on your channel or not. Okay, so now let's break down the monthly cost it will actually cost you to run this channel. In saying that, if you going to be uploading 2 to 3 times in a week, okay, so 2 to 3 times per week, then you're going to be uploading. But even if you want to get started, if you don't have that much funds, you can actually do just once a week, once or 2 times. Okay, that's bare minimum. And so let's calculate all this so we can know what's the true cost. And we're going with the, we actually won't calculate this for now, but let's go with the video editor. So in saying that, if you're uploading 2 times a week, so you're looking at, for video editor for 2 videos is $100. Voiceover is going to be $40. Okay, thumbnail designers looking at $20 again, $20 plus. And then you're looking at scriptwriter. So if you want to use a awesome software, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go and check it out. But if you do want to go ahead and use the scriptwriter, you're going to be paying them $50. So I'd say let's do it for $30. Okay, for 2 script. $15 pretty basic. Okay, so channel manager, you're looking at $100, $200 a month, we'll say. So 200 plus. And then the ideator, like in the beginning, I wouldn't even worry about this. Okay, so the total cost we're looking at between about $500 to $600. Okay, give or take. And you have to include the cost of the channel. So hope this video helps. If let me know if you have any more questions so I can answer it. And until next time, I'll talk to you soon. God bless you, and bye for now.